Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install GitLab Community Edition on Debian 9. This is my server information, operating system Debian 9, server IP address 10.66, 100.14, RAM 4GB, but I recommend prerequisite 8GB RAM. This is my testing server, disk 50GB, service GitLab community, checking server version and IP address Debian 9 and server IP address. Then must be server update and upgrade using this command. Yes, update and upgrade done. Now install some required package. Select internet site, postfix configuration, system mail name. Yes, installation done. Now download script, auto script for sudo command not found Debian. This is auto installation script for GitLab Community Edition install. Yes, the repository is set up. You can now install package. Now you can install GitLab Community Edition using this command. And I see this download process is running. 23 minutes needed and 929 MB package GitLab Community Edition for Debian 9. Download done. Now unpack package. Yes, GitLab Community Edition installation done. Thank you for installing GitLab. This is GitLab logo. Now GitLab CTL reconfigure. GitLab reconfigured done. Now start GitLab CTL. Yes, all status start is okay. And now check GitLab status. Yes, all status is running. Now I try to log in using root. Try to log in using root and root password. Invalid login or password. This is error, so I reset root password. GitLab raise console production, then I reset root password. Now login, raise console, then select user, root and user password. This is must be replace your own password and confirm password, and then user save. Now I try to log in. Now try login using root and using change password. Yes, successfully login done. Root administrator. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.